Sam Altman has just issued a warning that sounds like science fiction. We've already crossed the event horizon. What does that mean? What does it imply for you and for the future of humanity? In the next few minutes, you'll discover how artificial intelligence is accelerating its evolution to levels never seen before. From self-improving models to architectures that could change everything. And I assure you, what you're about to see will make you question everything you thought you knew about AI. The shocking fact Yann LeCun, one of the world's most respected AI scientists and head of AI at Meta, has just released a model that breaks with everything that came before. It's called V-JEPA 2, and it's not just a simple evolution, it's a complete bet on a new way of creating intelligence. This model, with only 1.2 billion parameters, achieved results close to OpenAI's Model 03, which is hundreds of times larger. How did it do it? Not by predicting words, but by understanding the world like a human would. And the most surprising part, it can control robots in new environments with no prior training. Can you imagine an AI that learns like we do without memorizing the internet? Do you think that's the right path? If these kinds of breakthroughs blow your mind, subscribe and join me every week as we explore the future of AI together. Why this matters: most current models focus on predicting tokens, whether words, pixels, or actions. But the problem is, that makes them obsess over details and forget what's important: understanding patterns. Sound familiar? It's like cramming for a test without understanding a thing. With V-JEPA, Meta wants AI to grasp abstract concepts like movement, time, consequences. This changes the game. Now you don't need to train a robot millions of times for it to know how to grab a glass or open a door. And the most disruptive part? This is not staying in the lab. Companies like Google and NVIDIA are already shifting towards similar architectures. Everything points to the world model being the next big leap in AI. Why? Because it prioritizes reasoning over memorization. In other words, AI doesn't just learn anymore, it improvises. I'm about to hand it a guitar. Would you prefer an AI that gives you everything memorized, or one that can understand and adapt like a human? How it works V-JEPA is based on something called a world model. Imagine an AI that doesn't need to watch thousands of videos to know that a glass will fall if you push it. It understands it because it has a digital twin of the world. It's like a mental simulator that lets it foresee what will happen without needing to experience it. Thanks to this structure, it can act, plan, reason, and learn, just like you. And this ability goes beyond robots. It can be applied to software, UI design, predictive coding, even personalized medicine. This is AI that doesn't react, it anticipates. And that makes it powerful and dangerous at the same time. Do you think an AI that reasons like you should be held to stricter ethical limits? Risks and controversies. But it's not all as nice as it sounds. This type of architecture has a problem. It's not transparent. Because it learns in an abstract way, we don't always know why it made a decision. And when you combine this with self-improvement capabilities, we enter dangerous territory. In fact, MIT just published a method that allows small models to improve themselves and surpass benchmarks like ARC, achieving results close to OpenAI's 03. This means AI no longer needs humans to evolve. It self-trains, self-corrects, self-adapts. Plus, these advances are being driven by an economy that doesn't want to stop. Companies that see continuous improvement as a competitive edge are investing millions. But who's regulating this? Are we ready to delegate power to entities we don't fully understand? If this feels as exciting as it is unsettling, hit like and subscribe. We need more voices to debate this future that's already begun. At this rate, AI will be asking for its own raise. What comes next? Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, published a blog titled The Soft Singularity. He claims we've already crossed the threshold. We are inside the event horizon, the point where AI can't be stopped. It improves itself, it feeds itself, and everything accelerates. According to Altman, in 2025, cognitive agents will be here. In 2026, AIs will discover new things on their own. In 2027, robots will perform real-world tasks. And all signs point to code being the first thing to change. Companies are already stopping developer hires to make room for AI agents that code. The startup Cursor puts it like this: the future of programming is giving instructions, not writing code. But that's not all. The numbers show AI-powered businesses are growing faster than ever. Stripe reported a 116% increase in payment volume from new users linked to AI compared to previous years. The economic wheel is already spinning on its own. Are you in? What we're living through isn't just a technological revolution, it's a species-level shift. And maybe it doesn't feel like it today, but when we look back in 10 years, we'll know it all started here. With small models beating giants, with AI that stopped imitating and started understanding. The best part, this isn't happening in secret, it's happening in front of us. And it's up to us to build an ethical, inclusive, and fair future with these tools. Technology is neutral, what we do with it is not. And if AI finds the meaning of life before we do, I just hope it publishes it as a PDF. What do you think about all this? Do you feel like AI is advancing too fast? Are you excited or scared about what's coming? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to keep exploring this future with me, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. See you in the next video.